Hi everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to make After Effects text effect on CapCut. So first you need to click on your project and then choose a black image in under the stock videos, and then here click on text and add the text that you want. For example, I want to add this text. Click on the check icon, and you can also change the font if you like. You can change it into your favorite font. For example, I want to change it into this one. Click on the check icon, and then after that adjust the frame rate and export the video. Then click on done, start a new project again, and add the video that you've just exported. And then go to video effects and find distortion. Then select the ripple distortions effects and adjust it however you want. So I'm going to adjust the sharpen into 0 and then the blur into 4 or 5, and then the size I'm going to change it into 25, and so the speed. And then after that go back and then click on the check icon, and here export the video again. And after you export this video, open the project that you want to add the text. Okay, so the video has been exported, and I'm going to add the project that I want to add the text, and then you can just go to overlay and add the video that you've just exported. So this video is right here, and you can resize it wherever you like this, however you like, and you can also place the text anywhere you want. And then after that go to splice and choose filter. Click on the check icon, and here is what the text will look like. Okay, so here is the text. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there, and also don't forget to leave a comment. That's it for me today. See you guys next time.